Good morning and welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about the real causes behind the thyroid disorders. As you know, in our earlier periods, it was believed that the thyroid disorders are mainly because of the deficiency with iodine. That's why Government of India advocates we people to have the iodized salt in our daily food. Even after using the iodized salt, the number of thyroid disorders were increasing day by day. So, after having thorough research, it is found that the thyroid disorders are basically or mainly because of autoimmune disorders and not because of iodine deficiency. You know that the autoimmune disorders or autoimmune disease is class of disease in which the immune system affects against the healthy cells, like in cases of systemic lupus erythematosus or inflammatory bowel disorders like ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, or in case of rheumatoid arthritis. In such condition, all these disorders are not because of any infections. Unfortunately, in such personalities, their immune itself, immune, I mean the protein itself, act against the healthy cells. So the proteins which are supposed to protect we people unfortunately act against the individual. Likewise, near about 80 to 85% of the thyroid disorders are mainly because of such autoimmune problems. More than that, there is molecular defects in the hormone receptors or post-receptive signaling mechanisms in cells, along with disturbed cell-mediated immunity. Then hereditary biosynthetic defects, that means genetic defects, or any disorder which affects the hypothalamo-pituitary thyroid axis and certain food substances known as goitrogens. These goitrogens mainly belongs to cruciferous family, especially cabbage, turnip, broccoli, nuts, etc. contain high amount of thiocyanate and or phenol. These thiocyanate or phenol inhibit or resist the process of thyroid hormone making in the thyroid follicles. To cover up the resistance made by the goitrogens, our thyroid gland itself may try to compensate by proliferation of the thyroid follicles. Automatically, you can see there is an abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland. That is what we call the goiter. So the food substances which excite or to provoke or to continue the process of abnormal proliferation or abnormal growth of the cell. That is why these class of food substances are known as, collectively known as, goitrogens. You know that the thyroid stimulating hormone is mainly secreted by the pituitary gland. Instead of that, or other than the pituitary, there may be some ectopic secretion of thyroid hormones may be seen in some personality. So, ectopic TSH secretion, then various levels of infections, as we mentioned earlier, iodine deficiency, contaminated air, contaminated water, especially the toxic waste products from the factories, especially may leads to contamination of the water and environment. High amount of fluorine in drinking water. Such factors will also influence to cause thyroid disorders. So, the causes of thyroid disorders can be summarized as mainly autoimmune disorders, then defects in the receptor and post-receptive signaling mechanisms in cells, hereditary biosynthetic defects, coupling defects, then ectopic TSH secretions due to lifestyle, especially with the goitrogens, then any defects in the hypothalamo-pituitary thyroid axis, ectopic TSH secretion, various infections are the main cause of thyroid disorder.